If you like our videos, please click on the subscribe and bell button to receive notifications to our channel. All the information present here is also available on our website profitinequities.com, which intends to act as an aggregator for personal finance, banking, and stock related knowledge. The website also has various stocks studied technically, and that would allow you to get acquainted with basic technical analysis and how to go ahead and interpret shares. Now, there is also an option to go ahead and subscribe to the website, and the Facebook, Twitter handle, and YouTube channels are also linked to that website. None of the stocks mentioned herein should be considered as stock recommendations. Please consult your financial advisor prior to acting on any of the information presented herewith. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is arguably the most successful investor in the Indian stock market. Here, we take a look at 5 small cap stocks from his portfolio. For the purpose of this video, we have classified small caps as stocks where market capitalization falls between 100 crores and 2000 crores. The first company on our list is Mandhana Retail Ventures Ltd. Now, Mandhana Retail Ventures Ltd is engaged in the manufacturing of textiles. And if you were to look at the 1 year price return, you would see that the stock has fallen close to 3.73% over the last 1 month, whereas over the last 1 year, the stock does not have a trading history. The 52-week high is at 247, whereas the 52-week low is at 138. The price earnings ratio for the stock is 16.37, whereas the dividend yield here is not applicable as the stock does not currently pay out any dividends. Prakash Industries Ltd is engaged in mining, steel, and power operations. If you were to look at the 1 month price return for the stock has fallen close to 12.35%, whereas over the last 1 year, the stock has appreciated close to 84.77%. The 52-week high for the stock is at 146.50, whereas the 52-week low is at 42.05. The price earnings ratio for the stock is at 19.33, whereas the dividend yield here is not applicable as the stock has not currently paid out any dividend. Hindustan Oil Exploration Company (HOEC) is engaged in oil and gas exploration. Now, if you were to look at the 1 month price return for the stock, it's at close to 11.95%, whereas over the last 1 year, the stock has appreciated close to 57.81%. The 52-week high for the stock is at 102.40, whereas the 52-week low is at 50.20. The price earnings ratio for the stock is 32.55, whereas the dividend yield here is not applicable as the stock does not currently pay out any dividends. Kesoram Industries Ltd is the fourth company on our list and is engaged in the business of cement, tires, and rayon. Now, if you were to look at the 1 month price return for the stock, it's at close to 8.62%, whereas over the last 1 year, the stock has fallen close to 30.43%. The 52-week high for the stock is at 201.25, whereas the 52-week low is at 117.45. The price earnings ratio and the dividend yield here is not applicable, as the company is not yet profitable and hence does not pay out any dividend yield. The fifth company on our list is Agrotech Foods Limited. Now, Agrotech Foods Limited is engaged in the business of marketing food and food ingredients to consumers and institutional customers. Now, if you were to look at the 1 month return for the stock, it has fallen by close to 4.71%, whereas over the last 1 year, the stock has fallen close to 2.69%. The 52-week high is at 609, whereas the 52-week low is at 425.50. The price earnings ratio for the stock is at 42.52, whereas the dividend yield is at 0.39%. This concludes the list of 5 small cap stocks from Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's stock portfolio. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with a new video.